Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, March the 16th, 2021. And I have mentioned earlier I won't do all the puzzles in this additional. There are 8, only 4 of them I will solve, and the second Sudoku I will solve will be a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2480. Alright, 2480. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, the 4 stars, has 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. Well, another 6 here in the second row, so no 6 in this box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6, I believe. Yeah, I need to wait. How about, let me see. 4, 4. Yeah. 5. The last row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 9. Okay. 9. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this last row, 9 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. We see another 9 there, so no 9 here. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Let me continue with the last row. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. 2, 8, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and an 8. Alright, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. Alright. And in this row, the other pair, we have 1 pair, second pair, first pair, second, and a third pair. In this row, these two boxes, the missing numbers in this row are the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, alright, alright. And now, let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. 6. Yes, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the last column. So no 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, the first row. 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8 are missing in this column. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 3, 4. And now we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Yes, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in that box. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So in one of those 2 boxes is a 4. I cannot place a 4 in this box anymore. So the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 and 8. No, 1, 3 and 7. Alright. 7. 1 is missing. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. That means in this big square, 1, 2, 9, the other 2 boxes, 1, 2, 9, the other 2 boxes are the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and the 3, 7 and the 3. 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5. Okay. Okay, 3. Okay. 9. The last part. 1. Do I have all the 5s? 5. 2. Yeah. 2, 2, 8. 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 there in the second row. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes, 2 and a 9. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. Alright, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8 and that box should be a 2. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left. No. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 and a 3 are left in this big square. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Alright, so we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. Alright, 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku. Is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No. A 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. This, I think, will be a 2 stars instead of a 3 stars. 2 or maybe 1 star. 1 or a 2 stars, I give this one. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the two last puzzles in this additional. It will be a binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle. See you later. Bye bye for now.